Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm the registration and training status for event security. Scan on QR code winner 25 rand. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the KEF Confed Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Almas 2. I'm joined by the best dressed.
Hey,
Ipuchabu.
uzongibulelisa ngabantu.
Hayi iviral khulunyweni Ipuchabu uyangithola.
Iviral
Iviral khulunyweni.
Yeah, no, ngiyabonga Sithibo.
Yeah.
Sibonile Kaizer Chiefs.
Sure.
Akukho kubi kangako for now.
Yes.
They will still come back.
Yeah.
Ngibonile opponent ebebadlala nayo. Honestly speaking, if Umegale bekanga miskikanga leya bola,
Yes.
Perhaps the score should have been 1-1.
Yes.
And then mababuya like higher. Definitely, I can tell you now. I think Kaizer Chiefs will be able to beat that team when they come back here.
Ekhaya.
Yeah, mababuya ekhaya.
Yes.
Unfortunately now, because they are in group stages,
Yeah.
3 points is gone.
Yes.
Remember, man, just lalela ma points, man. It's a point system.
True.
So you slip.
Yeah.
3 points is gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think they do have the capabilities of coming back.
Yes.
From this defeat, which was unnecessary according to me.
Yeah.
Miguel ubakhosile kakhulu. If bega clear nje le bola without any excitement, because I think uye waba excited. Wafuna ukukhahlelela la bola ngendlela esingayazi. But also Sithibo, I heard during the week ne, because angithi uyalalela kwabanye abantu ukuthi bathini ngama opponent.
Yes.
So that now because you support football.
Yeah.
Sometimes when you speak about football, you can't just say things that you don't know.
Yes.
You need to research.
Yes.
I understand which we are fans.
Yeah.
We are not analysts.
Yes.
But at the same time, equip yourself with information. Ngokulalela abanye abantu, so that when you come here, awusho izinto ezingaziwa.
Yes.
Uthusa abantu lana.
Yes.
So asifuna ukuthusa abantu la.
Yes.
Kumele sibanikeze ama facts.
Yes.
So I was actually listening to a certain podcast. I think it's Diski TV.
Yes.
I was listening to Junior Khanya.
Yes.
A very respected analyst when it comes to football.
Yes.
Abantu bangathini, but bayambukela abantu.
Top analyst.
Abanye they don't sleep until gazokhuluma. You know that
the numbers
people don't sleep because you will see ku comment section but hey besilinde wena ukhulume mebra. Why are you not speaking? Bona manje silala skathini.
Yes.
So much as singam blame asithini, but kunabantu abaningi futhi abamlalelayo.
Yes, true.
Influential.
Very.
But leyo influence asisebenziseni ngendlela right. Now when you are analyzing a game or anticipate ama result we game,
Yes.
you can't say Chiefs is going to lose and then come back and say no, but the opponent ezodlala neKaizer Chiefs angiyazi, but I don't think Chiefs will win. I mean, you are contradicting yourself. You are contradicting you can't say that.
Yeah.
I was very disappointed.
Yeah.
Much as you can, and I think Chiefs mele iqede indaba yayo no Junior Khanya. There's a problem there.
Iplopini Mpuchabu.
No, ngicabanga ukuthi lento yokuthi bamncisha istatus sokuba legend iyamkwatisa. So mina I'm saying Kaizer Chiefs management, supporters, please thengani imbuzi.
Yeah.
Nixazulule lento nimhlabele umfana umfana ufuna ukuhlatshelwa nje abe right uzombona once bamhlabela bese bathi you are going to be a legend. Leyo muntu ngeke asa criticize Kaizer Chiefs uzoba right uzoqonda angene endleleni ngoba asusele enga lembuzi izosusa enga ngithi abe right because you can't say
Amarivan.
No, into yabo seyidinga igazi manje. Leyo ukuthi bazayilungisa ngomlomo ngeke isalunga.
True.
Because I'm saying Stibo, you can't say Kaizer Chiefs is going to lose. But you don't know the opponent that is going to play against Kaizer Chiefs.
Like uyikhanda.
So how do you uyikhanda mana uyazi nale team ezodlala neChiefs. So I think Kaizer Chiefs this season yenze kahle kakhulu. Remember around this time last season. Kaizer Chiefs was playing around number 7, number 6,
yes,
number 8, and ultimately they went out of top 8. Now, Mauba Cheka manje domestically, they are occupying number 3.
Yeah.
In number 2 is Pirates,
yes,
so they are still equal with the points.
Yes.
The Pirates in a game in hand, which is 1.
Yes.
The Chiefs in a 10.
Yes.
So Chiefs stand a better chance as well. Ukuthi ngenza kahle domestically. Nala kule cup ngeke siba write off because of one game.
Yes, true,
let's just give them the opportunity
Yeah.
of coming back. But I think ke njengoba kulokwenzeka konke lokhu, each and every person osebenchini yabo uyadlala.
Yes.
Because this is going to stretch them now. This is a confed.
Yeah.
So you're going to have extra games. Nambu Netbank as well,
Yes.
domestically.
Yeah.
So these things are going to stretch you. Just make it a point to
Rotate.
yonke team yakho ya rotate.
Yes.
Because if you don't do that, then you're going to have a problem. Izokushaya azolimala ama-player. And mawalimala uthola ukuthi abanye abase-bench, because you can have a bench, but if that bench is not fit,
Yeah.
then you've got a problem. So I think they need to start rotating their players.
Yes.
So that when the time arises, some injury, nama fatigue, then they know ukuthi they are stable in terms of bench yabo. Yeah, but other than that, I think they are solid.
Yeah.
Let's go to a game here, Sundowns, Steve,
Again.
because one didn't have an opportunity to reflect on that.
Yeah.
Sundowns played very well. Now, Sundowns is sitting at the top of the log.
Yes.
Number one. But they are also sitting number 1 as well, kule CAF group.
Yes.
I think coach we Sundowns, the current coach ne, ufela nje ukuthi uRulani waxoshwa ku Sundowns.
Kahle.
Yabo? Because if we check really, statistically the chap is still doing well.
Yes,
Ngishilo mina ngathi bawinela ama games.
Yes, true.
So if the chap is winning games, where's the crisis?
Yeah.
And the very same person uRulani, take nothing away from Coach Rulani.
Yes.
It's a good coach.
Yes.
But Coach Rulani was playing on Friday. Adlala ne Al Hilal.
Yes.
He lost that game.
He did.
2-1.
He did.
He lost that game. Ukadoso ngapha won his game.
Yes.
Abanye bangathi but he won this game. Ubanikeza ama result, they are sitting at the top of the group. So hence ngisho ngithi mhlambe isono sika Kadoso ukuthi kwaxoshwa uRulani, mhlambe kwabizwa yena, then abantu bafeel ukuthi amara kasadlali ibhola elimnandi. Sometimes good football doesn't win you games.
Yes.
You know, even big teams in a world sometimes asidlali ibhola elimnandi, and we need to accept that.
Yes.
But they've got ama result. So mina ngithi babe patient nengwenya, ikhona into ezeza very soon.
Yes.
And then sine Stellenbosch naso.
Yeah.
Sidlalile naso today, AS Atoho.
Okay.
They won 1-0. I-1-0 yakhona bayithola ngama last minutes.
Yeah.
So nabo benze kahle, but I've got I'm very worried ngelona ngeStelis, because mau check domestically they are I think number 15.
Relegation zone.
It's a relegation zone.
Hey.
Lento ekostwa ukuthi you will sell a lot of your prominent players, and you don't replace them. So in the long run izo affect, uzogcina ufana nabo Super Sport, because you are just taking out, but you are not bringing back that quality that you have actually sold. So I think nabo mele bayilungisa leyo nto before iba kuba inkinga. Do we still have time, Steve? Yeah, so kuningi esingakhuluma ngakho ngithi football is football, and we are the fans of football. Steve ngiyazi cameraman uziluke yasibheka ukuthi 2 minutes na izolo sibona ama game amahle kakhulu webhola. I saw Amazulu yesterday doing very well. Coach, by the way, it's a former Kaizer Chiefs coach, Arthur Zwani. He brought a young talent there, uba infuse nalaba abadala, and we are beginning to see results.
Yes.
They've also signed, I think, they've signed to Ben from Cape Town City. I mean Cape Town Spurs it's a uye kuphela umlungu ebekadlala adlalele eMaZulu izolo. Yeah, udlale kahle kakhulu umfana. Bekunalama dispute ukuthi iCape Town Spurs ayifuna ukumrelease, ifuna signing on fee. They went to court, but eventually Cape Town Spurs decided to withdraw that case. Umfana wagcina sekadlala. There's also Ulangelihle Mhlongo. From Richards Bay, he's also 23 years old. Bami-introducile naye. So the team is quite stable. Benza kahle kakhulu.
Yes.
Siwelele lost. I think ukuthi mhlambe they didn't come to the party. Players like your Makidigidi abadlalanga kahle. They lost. Ulhonono siyamamela lungise nje kancane. Konke kuzoba right. But iligi yethu so far ihamba kahle kakhulu. And it's not predictable this year.
Yes.
Anybody from anywhere anga surprise abantu. Sifuna kanjalo iba healthy manjalo. So Steve, mina I'm quite excited. Ibhola lethu la South Africa is quite interesting. Siyabonga nokuthi nisinikeze isikhathi singama fans wethu. Thanks Steve.
Thank you. Yeah, well said.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?